today and this week we will be experiencing the shoreline brought by the tropical storm Tino. Although the landfall will be happening in part of Luzon, but shoreline will be experiencing shoreline. So let us be mindful of the concept of our regional director, the preparation, prevention, and to respond in any inequalities. So we advise that our RSSF and members of the search, rescue, and retrieval teams will be on alert and expect for the worst. And our units will activate the critical incident management team on natural disaster. Each one of us also should also prepare.